Attending Hill Country is an incredible opportunity for our students who are interested not only in STEAM pathways, but also potentially achieving that associate's degree or core complete program in an incredibly state-of-the-art facility.
You know, unlike a traditional high school, at our school we do have a lot of hands-on activities, like for instance robotics, or in our engineering classes we have the opportunity to come out to the brand new lab and kind of put together experiments to test our knowledge on topics.
The P-TECH, or Pathways in Technology, affords our students an incredible opportunity to achieve an associate's degree in science from Northeast Lakeview College. Utilizing that associate's, they can transfer into UTSA, where they can work towards a bachelor's in a multidisciplinary degree.
I know for me personally, I have been given a gift by being allowed to come here, and I appreciate every second of being here because the teachers care about my future just as much as I do.